give me the microphones. Serenade kayo. We have a special guest. Magugulat kayo kung sino. Guwapong-guwapo. Ito, surprise. Bagyan mo kami ng gandang. What's the name? Wait, later, ha? Diyan ka lang sa likod! Hindi. Gusto ko sino surprise. You want surprises? Yes, I love surprises. Bigyan mo ng magandang ilaw, para pang-pageant. Yan. Kasi tawagin ko lang siya. Yan, Miss World. Bigyan mo ng magandang close-up habang kinakantahan niya, ha? Kilala niyo naman to, guwapong-guwapo. Kilala niyo ba yung sa Aldab? Surprise, ha? Okay, ha? Anuin ko lang siya, ha? Sandali, ha? Okay, ha? Okay, ha? Ayusin ko lang, ha? Andiyan na ba siya? Andito ka na pala. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Alden! Ako din yun. Ano? Masdan, di ko mapigilan na ibigin ka. Kahit nasaan ka mapunta, nangingibabaw ang iyong ganda. Sabi mong mapupula, sa'kin ay humahalina. Pwede bang ikaw na sa kaharian ko ang aking maging Prenong Pilipina ay naiiba sa mundo. Kay tamis mong oo, sa bawat sandali ako ang lagi ng kapiling mo. Gandang Pilipina ay naiiba sa mundo. Natatanging kapiling mo. Gandang Pilipina ay parang bituin at palaging iibigin mo. Ladies and gentlemen, the winners of 2018 Miss World Philippines! Woo! Hello. Ha? Ganda, no? Ganda lang. That's a beautiful song composed by Mr. Benny Saturno to all the gandang Pilipina. Diba? Ganda lang kantahan, gandang Pilipina. Pagmamalaki mo sa buong mundo. Again, thank you very much for joining. Again, you want to say again, thank you to everybody, please?
Thank you everyone here. Thank you everyone at home supporting. Thank you to the organization. Thank you to my sisters.
Maraming salamat po ulit for allowing us to be part of your program. I want to also pala say thank you to all my Alisa Bells. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for having us. We have a blast and we hope to be back soon.
I also want to thank the people from Bacolod City and also the people from Makati, the one I represented during our coronation night. And of course to Wawa Win, Will, and GMA Network for having us today. Thank you.
Hello, thank you so much to all my supporters who was there at Mall of Asia Arena and to all from province of Palawan. Hi, and also Pearl Holics. Thank you so much for all your support.
Of course, Miss World, Katarina.
Thank you, Will. Thank you for the serenade at maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa buong Pilipinas. Sobrang saya dito sa Wawa Win. Thank you.
Thank you also and good luck, ha? Anytime you can come here to promote, pag magkukompete na kayo outside the country, please come and then para lahat malaman nila. Alam mo, ang nanonood sa Wawa Win, buong mundo eh. Everyone watches the show, even sa Facebook, sa YouTube, yung mga seaman, yung mga OFWs natin, pag hindi nila napapanood, sinesend ng mga anak nila at mapapanood kayo. Wow, ang swerte na magiging mga boyfriend nyo. Again, the winners of Miss World. Thank you very much, ladies. Hindi na sila mag-stay kasi sobrang busy nila. Hectic schedule. Again, ladies, thank you. You pass na lang here. Okay? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir.